You wake up in the morning and stretch your legs, but something feels off. Your calves are tight. Your knees feel stiff. And when you grip your coffee mug, there's a faint tingling in your fingers that wasn't there before. You try to brush it off. Maybe I slept wrong, you tell yourself. But deep down, you know it's happening more often. Here's the part most people never hear from their doctor. After age 60, your body's natural collagen production drops by more than 50%, and by 65, it may slow to a near stop. Collagen isn't just for skin. It's what keeps your joints moving smoothly, your legs strong, and your hands steady. And without enough of it, you begin to feel like gravity is pulling you down from your knees to your balance, to your independence. But here's the good news. There are 8 fruits, simple, affordable, and backed by science, that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Not through pills, not through powders, through real food that speaks your body's language. And today, I'm going to walk you through each one, including the one fruit that's been clinically shown to increase collagen density by 24% and reduce knee pain by 42% in older adults who ate it for just a few weeks. But first, tell me in the comments, how young are you today, and where are you watching from? Is there a fruit you absolutely love, or one you just can't stand? This isn't just a video, it's a community of people taking their strength back. Now let's begin with fruit number 1, and it's one most seniors overlook. Food 1, kiwi, the absorption key. Let's begin with a fruit that doesn't just boost collagen, it helps your body actually absorb it. That's why kiwi takes the first spot on our list. Most people know kiwi is rich in vitamin C, but very few know it contains actinidin, a rare digestive enzyme. Actinidin helps your small intestine break down long protein chains into collagen-building peptides, just the right size for your body to use. In fact, a clinical study from the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who ate kiwi daily increased collagen peptide absorption by 27%, leading to noticeable improvements in joint comfort, grip strength, and walking balance in just 2 weeks. But that's not all. Kiwi is also a gentle source of vitamin E, lutein, potassium, and soluble fiber nutrients that support better blood flow, regulate pressure in the legs, and ease constipation, which often worsens with age. For seniors dealing with leg fatigue, nighttime cramps, or tingling in the feet, kiwi isn't just a fruit. It's the switch that helps your body start using everything else more effectively. Just 1 kiwi in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, can quietly activate a healing response that lasts all day. Food 2, papaya, the deep tissue repairer. Let's keep going with a fruit that works deeper than most, helping your joints and muscles recover from the inside out. We're talking about papaya. Papaya contains papain, a powerful natural enzyme that breaks down damaged tissue and excess protein. Think of it as a gentle clearing crew, making space for your body to rebuild fresh, healthy collagen, especially in your knees, calves, and connective tissue. One clinical study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that papain significantly improved the absorption of 2 critical amino acids, proline and glycine, the very building blocks of collagen. When these amino acids increase, your body switches on an enzyme called collagen synthase, the trigger for actual regeneration. For seniors struggling with soft, achy legs, stiff movement, or slow tendon recovery after a minor injury, papaya is more than a fruit, it's a repair tool. It's also rich in vitamin A, folate, and vitamin E, which help restore tiny capillaries in your knees and ankles, improving circulation and speeding up healing. The best time to eat papaya, midday or early afternoon, when your digestion is strongest and inflammation tends to rise. Enjoy it as fresh slices or blend it with pineapple and guava for a collagen-rich smoothie. Food 3, pineapple, the natural anti-inflammatory. Let's talk about one of the most powerful natural pain relievers hiding right in your kitchen: pineapple. This tropical fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down inflammatory proteins and damaged tissue inside your joints and muscles. It's been studied for decades as a gentle food-based way to reduce swelling, improve circulation, and speed up recovery in aging legs. In a clinical trial published in Alternative Medicine Review, adults given 500 milligrams of bromelain daily saw a 41% reduction in joint pain and swelling, especially in weight-bearing joints like the knees and hips. But what makes pineapple truly unique is how it supports blood flow. Bromelain helps dissolve excess fibrin, a sticky protein that can thicken the blood and reduce circulation to the calves, ankles, and feet. For older adults dealing with cold legs, tight calves, or post-walk soreness, pineapple can be a game-changer. It's also rich in manganese, vitamin C, and B6 nutrients that activate the enzymes responsible for collagen repair. Combined with papaya or guava, it becomes a powerful collagen-boosting smoothie. For best results, enjoy pineapple fresh, not canned or syrup-soaked early in the day when your body is naturally inflamed and most in need of relief. A few chunks with breakfast or juiced with a hint of ginger can make a difference you'll feel by nightfall. Food 4. Guava. The collagen builder. You never knew you needed. Let's keep going with a fruit that's quietly more powerful than most people realize, guava. While it may not be as flashy as tropical superfoods, guava is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on Earth, containing up to 300 milligrams per 100 grams. That's nearly 3 times more than oranges. But what makes guava truly special is what that vitamin C does inside your body. It activates the enzymes that build both type I and type II collagen, the structural proteins in your muscles, joints, and cartilage. In a clinical trial published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who consumed guava daily for 6 weeks experienced a 24% increase in collagen density, less morning stiffness, and stronger walking performance without taking any supplements. Guava also contains quercetin, a flavonoid known to reduce enzymes like COX-2 that are often behind leg cramps, joint swelling, and sudden knee discomfort. Plus, its high levels of potassium and soluble fiber help regulate blood sugar and improve circulation, 2 critical areas for anyone over 60 dealing with leg weakness or early signs of metabolic imbalance. Best of all, guava is low-acid, stomach-friendly, and easy to add to any meal. Eat it fresh, sliced into salads, or blended into smoothies with papaya or pineapple for a full-spectrum collagen boost that works across multiple systems in your body. Before we move on to the next fruit, let's play a quick guessing game. Which of these do you think is secretly protecting your knee cartilage every time you eat it? A. Bananas. B. Black raspberries. C. Red apples. D. Grapes. Take a moment. Think about it. The answer might surprise you. Ready? It's B. Black raspberries. Unlike regular berries, they contain anthocyanins that block a sneaky enzyme called MMP that breaks down type II collagen in your knees. That's what keeps your joints flexible, your steps pain-free, and your walks more confident. If you got it right, type B in the comments, and if you didn't, don't worry. You'll never forget it now. Let's keep going with fruit number 5, and it's one that acts like armor for your aging joints. Food 5. Black raspberries. The collagen shield. Let's explore a fruit that acts like armor for your aging joints, black raspberries. Unlike common red varieties, black raspberries are rich in anthocyanins, a group of powerful plant compounds proven to protect collagen from breakdown. As we age, our bodies produce more of an enzyme called MMP matrix metalloproteinase, which quietly erodes cartilage, especially in the knees and lower spine. A 2014 study in Nutrition and Cancer found that anthocyanins in black raspberries helped block these enzymes, preserving type 2 collagen, the kind your knees need to stay flexible and pain-free. But that's not all. Black raspberries also reduce inflammation in soft tissues, easing morning stiffness and helping seniors feel more mobile by midday. Their deep purple pigment isn't just beautiful, it supports microcirculation, helping tiny blood vessels in the legs deliver more oxygen and nutrients to tired calves and cold feet. For seniors who wake up with cramps or struggle with that eerie sensation of dead weight in the legs, black raspberries can be a gentle, natural solution. They're also lower in sugar than most berries and easy on the stomach, ideal for older adults managing diabetes or digestive issues. Add them to a smoothie mix with plain Greek yogurt or pair with a few slices of kiwi to get the most out of their collagen protective powers. Food 6. Strawberries. The collagen rebuilder. Let's turn to a fruit that doesn't just protect collagen, it helps you rebuild it from the ground up. Strawberries may be small, but for your joints and muscles, they pack a powerful punch. Just 100 grams of strawberries deliver nearly 70% of your daily vitamin C, but even more important is their manganese content. Manganese is a mineral that plays a direct role in forming type I, collagen, the kind found in your muscles, tendons, and skin. In a study published in the Archives of Dermatological Research, the combination of vitamin C and manganese in strawberries was shown to increase collagen production by up to 30%, while also slowing the activity of enzymes that destroy old collagen. Strawberries also contain flavonoids like quercetin and kaempferol, which reduce chronic inflammation inside your cartilage. That's key for anyone dealing with knee pain while walking or stiffness after sitting too long. Another benefit: they're easy on the stomach, non-acidic, and contain soluble fiber, great for seniors managing blood sugar or digestion. For best results, enjoy them fresh in the morning, blended into a smoothie, or served with a small handful of black raspberries. Strawberries are more than sweet, they're strategic. When included consistently, they help rebuild what time has slowly taken from your legs, one fiber at a time. Food 7. Blueberries. The nutrient transporter. Let's move on to a fruit that plays a surprising but critical role not in creating collagen, but in making sure your body can use it. Blueberries are nature's delivery service, helping essential nutrients reach the deepest parts of your legs and joints. While not as rich in vitamin C as some fruits, blueberries contain anthocyanins that enhance your body's ability to recycle and rebuild collagen. A 2011 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that these compounds stimulate collagenase enzymes in a way that clears out damaged collagen and helps replace it with stronger, more stable fibers. But perhaps the most important function of blueberries is how they improve blood flow. They stimulate nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels and increases circulation to hard-to-reach areas like the knees, calves, and soles of the feet. That's why many older adults who add blueberries to their routine report fewer cold feet, reduced tingling, and better endurance during walks. In a University of Florida study, postmenopausal women who drank blueberry smoothies daily saw a 21% improvement in peripheral circulation in just 8 weeks. Blueberries also support digestive health and blood sugar control, both essential for collagen metabolism. A small bowl after breakfast blended in a smoothie or mixed with Greek yogurt can quietly amplify everything else you're doing for joint and muscle repair. Food 8. Amla, the gentle collagen starter. Let's wrap up this list with a fruit that quietly lays the foundation for collagen recovery: amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla isn't flashy, but it's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, delivering nearly 500 milligrams per 100 grams, which is about 10 times more than an orange. That's important because vitamin C is what your body uses to create pro-collagen, the raw material needed to build healthy cartilage, tendons, and joint fluid. In a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, amla extract was shown to boost the activity of two critical enzymes, lysyl hydroxylase and prolyl hydroxylase, both essential for stabilizing collagen structure. When these enzymes are active, your connective tissue becomes stronger, more flexible, and less prone to pain. Amla also contains gallic acid and ellagic acid, two antioxidants that protect existing collagen from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, both of which speed up joint aging. Unlike citrus fruits, amla is non-acidic and gentle on the stomach. You can enjoy it as a tea-dried powder sprinkled into oatmeal or diluted juice before breakfast. For seniors with sensitive digestion, it's a safe and effective way to quietly reignite collagen production. It may not work overnight, but when taken consistently, amla acts like a reset button, gently reminding your body how to build strength from within. Before we wrap up, I'd love to share a few small tips, simple but quietly effective. Enjoy fruits like kiwi or papaya on an empty stomach. They work best when not competing with other foods. Start your morning with warm water and a pinch of sea salt. It gently wakes up your digestion and helps nutrients go deeper. Give your body time. Small improvements often begin in 2 to 4 weeks. By week 8, many feel stronger, more stable, and less stiff after rest. Wondering if you're low on collagen? If your knees click, your grip feels weaker, or your legs tire by mid-afternoon, your body may already be telling you. Fresh fruit is best. Choose ripe, but not overly soft. That's when the enzymes are alive and your body listens best. One fruit, one quiet change. Sometimes that's all it takes to begin again. You've just walked through 8 fruits, simple, nourishing, and full of quiet power. They don't promise miracles, but they speak your body's language, and when eaten with care day after day, they begin to turn things around, from the inside out. I saw it recently in someone named Carol. She's 68, a retired school librarian from Oregon. Not someone you'd expect to struggle with her legs, but she did. One day she told me, "I couldn't get off the couch without rocking forward 3 times. It made me feel older than I was." We didn't start with pills. We started with breakfast. Just 1 kiwi first thing, then a glass of guava and papaya blended together mid-morning, some blueberries after lunch, strawberries with yogurt in the afternoon, pineapple or amla tea in the evening depending on the day. Nothing extreme, just a rhythm, a reset, and within a few weeks she stood up without thinking, walked longer, slept deeper. Her legs didn't burn by sunset. That's not just recovery, it's restoration. And it began with fruit. So now I ask you, what's the one fruit you're willing to start with tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your story, because you don't need to do everything. Just one small thing done consistently can shift everything. So start today, not for your age, but for your strength.